Hi, little explorers. Welcome to Buggari TV. Today, Buggari is going to meet lots of animal friends in the happy forest.
Hi friends, let's go on an animal adventure. Are you ready to say hello to the animals? Say it with me, hello, animals.
Buggari walks into the jungle and hears a big sound.
Whoa, what was that?
Hi Buggari. I'm Ellie the Elephant. I love to splash in the water.
Wow, can you make an elephant sound like Ellie? Say "pow" with me.
Pawoo.
Big great Ellie splashes high, with her trunk up to the sky. Stomp your feet and wave your nose, that's how elephant water goes.
Next, Buggari meets a new friend in the sunny savannah.
I hear something.
Hi Buggari, I'm Leo the lion. I'm brave and strong. Wanna roar with me?
Yes, let's roar together. 1, 2, 3, roar.
Leo the lion loves to roar, big and strong we all adore. Roar with me, 1, 2, 3, lions are brave as can be.
Now Buggari slides into the snowy land.
It's cold, but what's that waddling sound?
Hi, I'm Penny. Penguin, let's slide and sing.
Yay, I love sliding.
Slide, slide, side to side. Penguins love to slip and glide. Waddle left and waddle right. Penguins dance all day and night.
Next, Buggari hops into the green forest pond.
What's that sound? Ribbit, ribbit.
Buggari. I'm Froggy. I love jumping on lily pads.
Let's jump together. Froggy, boing, boing, boing.
Jump, 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 so high, touch the clouds up in the sky. Froggy jumps from pad to pad. Happy hops make everyone glad.
Can you count the jumps with me? 1, 2, 3.
All of Buggari's friends come together. It's time for a rainbow animal party.
Flap your wings, stomp your feet, jump and roar to the beat. Animals big, animals small, let's dance together, one and all.
That was amazing, friends. We met so many animals today. Which one was your favorite?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Buggari next time for Farm Animal Adventure.